Welcome to CharmHealth. Today we are going to go over how to integrate the BodyComp scale with Charm EHR. First, you will want to plug the scale's power cord into a wall outlet. Then plug the VGA cord into the scale, and then the VGA to the VGA USB dongle and the USB cord into the computer. Now select the file Charm Ohm Agent that was provided to the practice. Select Bin, and then select Run. If you would like, you can create a shortcut for this file because it will need to be opened every time before you log into Charm. Once the agent has loaded, you will want to make sure it is connected, then minimize the two windows so they can run in the background. Now open a patient's chart in Charm, then select Vitals, then Add Vitals. You will need to confirm that you see the message that reads, Ready to receive data. That means the scale has already been configured with Charm. Make sure that the patient's shoes have been removed and have them step on the scale. The patient will need to enter age, height, and select between male and female. Grip will appear on the screen of the scale, and the patient will need to grab the handles on the side of the scale and wait till data appears on the screen of the scale. Once the data appears on the screen, the Enter button needs to be pressed for the information to be transferred into Charm. You will now see the information compiled in the Add Vitals pop-up on Charm and can select Save to add them to the patient's chart.